Samuel's birthday and he is having a party. First, they play some games. Pass the parcel, musical chairs, and pin the tail on the donkey. After the games, a magician performs a magic show. It is very amusing. He wears a top hat and cape and uses a long magic wand. He has a big magic box with a unicorn on the side. He does a few card tricks and pulls a long line of scarves from his pocket. Then he asks for someone to come and help him. "You," he continues, pointing at Samuel, "you are the birthday boy. Will you come and help me, please?" "Me?" says Samuel. "You!" shout the children, pointing at him. Samuel helps the magician do a special trick. He has to wave the magic wand and say, "You, you, you." Right on cue, a rabbit pops out from under the magician's table. After the magic show, they all go outside and have a barbecue.